Let's discuss the properties with inheritance. Nothing special, it's a bit intuitive, but still good to know about. We can simply, as we are inheriting properties and inheriting methods, we can also inherit the properties. So let's see here this code here. We have a class employee which has a set and get for the salary, and we have an hourly employee class inheriting from the employee class. Now when we create the employee class, we can still set and get its salary object in a very simple way. But there is an issue here, and the core heart of the issue forgetting what is self. Remember, the self of the emp is the hourly employee, not the employee at all. So every function call is actually starting first with the MRO search at the base class here, at the child class here. To understand more, let's try this example. I would like you to trace this example and find where is going to be an error. Okay, so the error is as following. The error is going to be in this line 4 here. You will be surprised that line 4 is telling you there is no set property here. And then you will say, oh, how come? There is a set property here. But you forgot that self is referring to the hourly employee object. So let's see what's going to happen. We actually did an overriding for the property, but we provided a get only. So we don't have a set here. So this is something very critical to know. When you override a property, you lose its get and set and delete. You just only have its whatever you provided now, because this is the purpose of overriding. You lose the salary here, and you have now this one. So this guy doesn't have a set function here. So when it goes, the code is as following. You print normally, but when you try to set here, the property is going to start. Oh no, actually it's going to be much earlier than that. The line 28 is creating an object, and then in the 28 here we start to set the salary, but this setting is where the setting is in the child class, not in the parent class, because self is referring to that guy, not that guy. So this one is going actually to be here and see that we have get, but we don't have set. So it's going to, you know what, we don't have a set here, attribute error. So the core problem is forgetting what is self, and that we already we did an overriding for the get, and we don't have a set at the moment. That's all. So just be careful about the overriding thing.